We just saw this yesterday, guys. We just saw it during the live broadcast, during the live and loud Home Depot broadcast. $289 they wanted in store at your local depot. Well, I got a little surprise for you, and I want to thank Hakeem for this little nugget. It's a little juicy nugget, chicken nugget. Bear tall. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, $149 for this brushless bad boy, half inch, 1,200 foot-pounds of just power, rubber boot. If you're on Makita's platform, 149, and it includes free delivery. Okay, in stock on January 17th. All right, so you order it now. I think this is from Amazon too. I really do. Yep. Yeah, this is directly from Amazon too, guys. All right, so you don't have to worry about any third-party sellers for some reason. Depot, excuse me. Amazon has a load of these. 149. I mean, guys, that's the price of the Ryobi. The Ryobi was $139. Yeah, no, yeah. This is a good deal, guys. And if you want to try a Makita tool, all right. Now, obviously, this doesn't come with the battery charger, but again, maybe you bought the $99 impact driver a couple of years ago. This will work fine with a 3 amp hour battery. Just a really nice impact wrench. The build quality on it is fantastic. It's not the lightest high torque impact wrench out there, but not too bad. And again, the build quality is fantastic. You got that nice boot. This thing can take a beating. You got that nice selector, and 149, folks. Don't know if we're gonna see this price again. So if you've been looking or interested in maybe getting this, I would take a quick, hard thought about this sucker. Okay, with a 4, it only weighs 7.9. You can put, the thing is, really, all their batteries weigh the same from the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. Now, could you put a 2 on this? Absolutely. I mean, it's got 1,200 foot-pounds. All right. Very nice. All right, folks. Peace. Thank you, Hakeem.